I'm going to be sharing a secret with you right now. Ready? No matter what all the coaches tell you, nobody, absolutely nobody is able to be in a high vibe state 24/7. And you don't actually have to be high vibe all the time to manifest your dreams. If you want to find out why, keep on watching this video. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lisa and I'm a mindset coach. I help you shift to your highest, most desired reality in no time. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy to have you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you get notified when I post a new video. Make sure you share this video with someone that needs this. The more people that know about this knowledge, the better, because we're literally creating a better world this way. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get into this video. So what I was saying in the intro is that you don't have to be high vibe to manifest your dreams. And this belief honestly makes me cringe and borders on toxic positivity. I'm thinking about the coaches and mentors, self-proclaimed coaches and mentors that have zero experience and that just tell you to be positive and think different thoughts. I'm sorry to break it to you, but this is not how you're going to create your dream life. No one is able to be in a high vibe state 24/7. Having hard days means that you have problems and challenges, which are a normal part of life. And honestly, overcoming these is what makes life feel so worthwhile. If we didn't have the contrast of, being happy and being joyful with those less joyful days, life would be very monotone and we wouldn't really know what happiness would be like, because we need that contrast. Some of the wealthiest people in the world are deeply, deeply, deeply unhappy. So it makes sense then that having to be high vibe and positive and being on a high vibration to manifest more wealth is a complete myth, because otherwise wealthy people who are unhappy wouldn't exist. What is the key then? What is the secret sauce to realizing your deepest desires and creating more prosperity, abundance, and wealth for you? Your ability to create is actually linked to your identity. It's about your self-concept and who you perceive yourself to be. I have a whole masterclass inside our membership Limitless that teaches you all you need to know about self-concept. I'll link it in the description down below. The thing is, rich people have normalized wealth. They've made it normal. And so they attract it whether they feel good or bad, right? Whether they're unhappy or happy in their lives, it doesn't matter, because wealth is their baseline. It is their normal. It is who they are. It is the fabric of their essence. It is what they vibrate to. They are a person that is wealthy. They don't want it. They already have it. Notice the subtle shift. It's very subtle. But shifting your identity is what will help you manifest those few extra thousands of dollars. The next step will be tens of thousands of dollars. And before you know it, you'll be making 6 figures and even 7 figures. And once you start gaining traction, once you start gaining confidence in your ability to create whatever you want, you'll just be so confident that you can do this again, because you know that you can set the baseline for how much you earn, for who you are. And that's why I always say it's important not to immediately go for those huge goals, because your subconscious mind can't get on board with that. If you're currently stuck in debt, if you're currently barely making ends meet, and you're like, I want to be a millionaire, your body will be like, no, you won't. But if you're being like, okay, well, maybe I can manifest an extra $1,000 this month, and your body will be like, I can get on board with that, because this is who you currently are. This is your self-concept. I'm not saying that you're not able to get to the millions. I'm just saying the bridge is, the gap is too far from where you are right now. And so even in your conscious mind, if you believe it's possible, your body will be like, that's not possible for me right now. It's just too much of a leap. So keep that goal in mind. I'm not saying to not have that goal. Keep that in mind, but work yourself up there in increments. Just like you are climbing a ladder, right? In increments, you're going to climb that ladder of, higher and higher and higher and higher income that you want to make. And so why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because your next level will always bring some discomfort. These are growing pains that are a natural process of evolving and stretching to your next level and your next expansion. And becoming this new person, becoming this new, this new person that has, in this case of this video, normalized wealth, right? I always say make it normal, make your dreams normal, make it so normal that you're completely neutral about it. Because when you're neutral about it, there's no charge, there's no resistance to it, and then it can flow into your life. That's why these people maintain and manifest their wealth so easily, because it is a part of who they are. And so if you've watched this far, I have something for you that will highly, highly benefit you. And this is Limitless. Limitless is our exclusive members only community. Inside Limitless, I'll teach you how you can have your subconscious programming do the heavy lifting for you. You will reprogram your mind and brain to become a new person, and thus you will pull your desires into your reality while also simultaneously allowing yourself to be human. Because let's face it, we're not robots, we're not able to be positive 100% of the time, no matter how much we want to. So inside Limitless, I'll teach you all the trainings. You'll find meditations, monthly masterclasses, live manifestation ceremonies with me. This is the next best thing to working with me one-on-one, to be honest. Everything that I'm sharing inside Limitless is exclusive to the membership and to our members inside, who have seen amazing, insane, magical, rapidly shifting transformations. And some other good news is that I will have a special discount code linked only for my YouTube family in the description below. You'll have all the resources and tools that you need. And I wish I could explain the sacred energy and magical transformations that happen inside Limitless, but it is something that you will have to experience for yourself. With all that being said, I hope this video helped you. Give it a like, share it with somebody that needs this. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.